today, we're checking out the Jeep licensed by RedRock soft top window storage bag designed to fit the 1976 to 2018 Jeep soft tops of the CJ5, CJ7, Wrangler, YJ, TJ, and JK models. This bag is perfect for Jeep owners who want to protect their soft top windows from scratches, scuffs, and other damage when they get removed, ensuring they stay in pristine condition for years to come with a convenient storage location right on the back of your Jeep. This soft top window storage bag provides a practical and protective way to store your Jeep soft top windows. It features this nice padded interior lining to safeguard the delicate plastic windows against scratches and abrasions. The bag also includes individual compartments or dividers to keep your windows separated, preventing them from rubbing against one another. With this durable zipper enclosure, your windows stay secure inside while remaining easily accessible when they're needed. The bag's compact design allows it to be stored conveniently in your Jeep, whether behind the rear seats or in the cargo area between your frame and the spare tire. If you need to pull out the windows while you're out there on the road or the trail, they're going to be very easily accessible to put right back on quickly. These adjustable straps are also included on the carrying case, enabling you to mount the bag to your roll bars or any other fixed points so you can put them where it works best for you and your build. Made from heavy-duty PVC-coated mesh construction, this storage bag is built for durability and longevity. The tough exterior fabric resists tears and wear, even with regular use, while the reinforced stitching adds to its overall strength with weatherproof welded seams. This padded interior is designed specifically for soft top windows, providing excellent protection against potential damage during transport or storage. As far as the pricing goes on this, the soft top window storage bag comes in that upper $100 price range, offering an affordable and high quality option to keep your soft top windows safe and secure. This storage bag is going to be super quick and easy to set up. Simply place your windows inside, zip it up in the carrying case, and either store it in your cargo area, behind the seats, or secure it to the roll bars with these included straps. So on the difficulty meter, we're giving this a simple 1 out of 3 wrenches for its ease of use. Storing your windows should only take you about 15 minutes or less of your time. So let's check out exactly how it works with an install video from one of our ExtremeTerrain.com customers.
Start by taking the windows off. So the window's curved side should be towards the bottom of the pocket. So we're going to fold this flat back. Slide this into the protective covering. Again, the curved surface needs to be at the inside corner of the covering. Once you have both of the side windows in place, you can take the back window off. So you're going to leave this rear window bar still attached to the window, and you're going to cover it with a protective flap. Then you're going to roll this nice and tight. So once you got this rolled up nice and tight, you can put it in the protective sleeve. Get a little air in it so it's not so flat when you're trying to put the windows inside of it. Once you have the windows inside the bag, then you can drop the top on the Jeep. Now that we have the top down, we can go ahead and install the bag cover onto the roll bars. Now when you're installing this, make sure to get the seat belt out of the way. Tighten those straps down nice and tight. You have 2 more straps to go around the headrest. And you're done.
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the Jeep licensed by RedRock soft top window storage bag for the 1976 to 2018 Jeep CJ5, CJ7, Wrangler, YJ, TJ, and JKs. And for all things Jeep, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.